In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove any filter effects on your videos in KineMaster. As you can see here, I have a video, but it is black and white. Initially, it was colored, and now I want to remove these black and white filters. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the timeline. And here we go. And then go ahead and look for filter. And the filter option is here. If you go ahead and tap on it, you will see we have this filter that was added on this video. If I go ahead and tap on it again, it can't unselect and the filter will remain, and therefore I can't change it from here. To change it, just go to the first option here that says none. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and remove any filter that you had applied on your video or on your photo. And now I can exit, and you can see now if I go ahead and play my video, it has no filters applied. It is back to the original video. So that's how you remove any filter on your videos using KineMaster app. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.